Hello, we are back with Cooked Like a German. We are at our friend Tanya's house. It is actually Christmas Day. We survived Christmas one more time, and I want to introduce the next state of Germany, what we are cooking for. And that would be my favorite, Bavaria, especially localized to the lower Bavaria, where a lot of my relatives come from. And I don't want to make a big roast. We did this already with Baden-Württemberg. So we will actually go and make Leberkäse. It's liver, cheese, has nothing to do with liver or cheese. And because it is so hard to find here or expensive to import, I will show you actually how to make it yourself. So you don't have a German butcher around, don't worry. We make the Leberkäse and then we will make like 3 different types of very common Leberkäse specialities in Bavaria. See you then.